Okay, so hi guys, this is Bogdan, hopefully from Sports Templates one day, and today I'll show you how you can use this amazing football jersey mockup that also comes along with 5 different color options. So when you load up your PSD files, this is basically what your screen will look like. So in the middle, you have this big mockup, and if you look to the side, you'll see this layers panel, and over here you can see lots of groups of different layers. So right off the bat, you can see different options that we have for colors. So we've got 2 V-neck options. So also this one with an overlapping sort of a color, a huge round color, a polo style color, and also a round color with a sort of a cutout in the middle. If you don't like any of those, you can also go along with regular circular small collar. Now in this case we'll use the regular V-neck, and if you want to change the base of your kit, you just go to the shirt base, editable parts, and then just scroll down to add main design here, double tap the smart object, and this is the place where you throw in your design. Now over here we already have something created, so we'll just check it in. If you don't see your design, just bring it up a notch and place it so that it covers the whole panel. Once you're done, just go to File, Save, and then you can go back and you'll see your design applied on the jersey. If you want to add a logo, then you can go to the embossed logo layer section and then just go to this smart object, double tap once again, and you can play around with these logos. So we might want to turn this one off, and we might want to maybe chuck this one in the middle, just resize it a bit. We'll place it around here, and we might want to, for example, move this one to the right. Once we're happy, we can just go File, Save, and we'll have this one over there as well. We can nudge this logo up a notch and just hit Save once again, or Control S. There we go. If we're happy with this, we can go change our sleeves, for example. So you've got 2 options for sleeves. You've got short sleeves and you've got long sleeves as well. We'll use short sleeves in this case. So once again, open it up. You can just go to the editable parts section, and then first of all, you can select the color of your stitches. We'll use this goldish sort of a color. Then you can put a design on your sleeves. If you want just a simple color on your sleeves, just turn it off, and then you can just pick a color. In this case, we'll go pure black, and on the right one as well. There we go. Same goes for the color. Just open this section up, go to the editable parts, and you can play around with these options. So we can change the trim of a color. We'll go with white here, and we'll make the color white as well, so we get some sort of contrast. Back of the shirt will be black. In this case, the band can go gray, stitches will go this goldish color once again, and label, we can leave that gray as well. One thing that you can also do is you can turn this dynamic lighting thing on. So just press this little box here until you see your eye, and you can do this basically on every section as well. So just go dynamic lightning and shirt base as well. And this thing allows you to control basically how your light is affecting your shirt. So once you open up this smart object, you can just go to this hue saturation palette and just play around with the sliders until you're happy with how light affects the jersey. Or you can go with a channel mix, and you can control all the highs, lows, and middles. So if you're happy, Control Save and go back, and you can see how light is going on a different direction in this case. Now we can also reverse it. Go Control Z, undo it, and we have this beginning as well. So if you zoom in, you can also see the sort of detail that goes along and the huge difference that our logos have compared to the shirt base. So they are kind of embossed there. So once you're happy, you can just go unzoom. You can also change the background right here. So go to background, you'll get the background color. In this case, we can use this sort of grayish. You can also change the text behind. So we'll put in something like alternate jersey. Hit accept. And yeah, just go export the thing. So there we go.